Master your emotions, the secret to understanding human nature. According to the teachings found in Robert Greene's book, The Laws of Human Nature, human beings are not primarily guided by calm reasoning as they tend to believe. On the outside, we appear rational and orderly in our thinking, but internally, we are driven by powerful emotional forces. What are emotions? Emotions are internal responses that arise when we encounter events, words, or certain memories. They are a mixture of thoughts, past experiences, expectations, and wounds we have carried over time. Emotions may appear as joy, sadness, jealousy, fear, anger, or desire. But often, emotions do not present themselves clearly. They disguise themselves in other forms. What you call anger may actually be a fear of being ignored. What you call confidence may in fact be hidden insecurity. Within every emotion, there is a root cause, and that cause is often buried in your personal history. Robert Greene explains that the greatest human problem is not having emotions, but failing to recognize them. We believe we are making calm decisions, yet emotions have already decided before the mind justifies them. What is inner awareness? Inner awareness is the ability to see things as they truly are, without being distorted by emotional reactions. It is a calm state of mind that analyzes, evaluates, and considers consequences before taking action. It is not something we are born fully developed with. It is a strength built through deliberate self-discipline. Within us, there is a constant tension between emotion and inner awareness. Emotions demand immediate action. Inner awareness requires time to think. Emotions seek instant comfort. Inner awareness seeks long-term results. When emotions are triggered by past pain, sudden change, or intense stress, the ability to think calmly decreases, and sudden emotional impulses take control. That is when we say words we later regret. That is when we make decisions that damage relationships, careers, or our reputation. Greene emphasizes that the first step towards psychological maturity is learning to observe yourself as if from the outside. Ask yourself, why am I so offended? Why do I feel compelled to prove this point? Often, the answer is not in the present situation, but in your personal history. Delay your response. Time is the weapon of inner awareness. The more time you give yourself, the weaker the emotional intensity becomes. Accept that other people are also driven by their emotions. Do not expect behavioral perfection. Learn to understand human nature instead of fighting against it. Inner awareness does not appear by chance. It is built through discipline, self-examination, and the courage to accept the truth about yourself. Master your emotions and allow inner awareness to guide your life.